Join me in making homemade granola today. My favorite thing about making my own granola is I know what ingredients are in it. I can make as much as I want to store it for later, and it's so much cheaper than buying it at the store. Here's what you need for the base recipe. 3 cups of rolled oats, 1/4 a cup of canola oil, 1 large egg white, 1/3 a cup packed brown sugar, 1/3 a cup of honey, half a teaspoon of almond or vanilla extract, 1/4 a teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. That will also be down in the description down below if you need it written out. Mix all of those ingredients together and preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you will bake them for about 45 minutes, stirring every 15 minutes to make sure everything is getting evenly toasted. When it's baking, get 3 cups of your add-ins. I did a cup of dried cherries, cranberries, and a half a cup of each of slivered almonds and coconut. Mix in when the granola is golden, toasted, and completely cooled. Store in jars, or I put them in individual cups for snacks on a road trip we took.